Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me again. So now this time I thought about it, making a whole video about like unboxing the product that I got and everything, but yeah, I'm gonna make it short. So what I got, when was it, 3-4 days ago, was a new throttle body. I ordered, this came from Z1 Motorsport. I ordered also the red sleeve that comes with it for like a bigger throttle body. I think you can see how like stretched out this one is, but that one wouldn't fit because the sleeve would come from here, or well, elbow, whatever you want to call it. It would come from here around here. It was big, so this intake would not fit. I'll have to, I mean it would fit, but I'll have to remove this and everything. I did not want to do that, so I used the old one, the DC Sports. I might use that one, but I gotta cut it to make it fit. And I do feel a little bit of a difference now, especially because I have the plenum spacer too. This one I got like a month ago maybe. I can't remember, GK Tech I think it was. I can put the description down below. I do like the product. They sent me a bag, a bunch of stickers. They sent me both gaskets for the plenum. I do like it. Easy install the plenum spacer, easy install the throttle body, and I do feel a little bit of a difference now. I'm gonna try to do a poll, see if you guys can see the difference, see if I can show the difference. And also, oh, I don't know if you can tell, this one is rusted, and this one I don't have because I took it off. And it's right here because I've been wanting to do this for a while. So I painted red. All I gotta do now is install it. I think it's gonna look different. I gotta do this one now. The only thing is, this thing literally is attached over here with this rings. I don't know what it's called, but when I already know that, so when I was trying to take them out, I broke them, but no big deal. I'll make it fit again. You won't even be able to tell. All right, let me see if I can make show you the difference with the plenum spacer and the 75mm throttle body. Yeah, it's gonna be a little hard to show you guys. I don't have a lot of room over here, but I do feel a little bit of a difference. Car is heavy as it is, and I have all my audio system, the new exhaust, so it makes everything even heavier. Let's see what happens. Not bad. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys can tell the difference. Thanks for watching.